Oh my god, y'all, I look like hell. Oh! Alright, y'all, so I'm on my way to the mall to get this foundation, Fenty. I forget what it's called. I swear, I always come to the mall looking busted, and I wonder why, and I sit there and I wonder why I'm single. Don't judge my fake me out Versace mask, y'all. But it's cute, right? My bestie gave it to me. Versace from a distance. Alright, y'all, we're at Sephora. Oh, I see Fenty. There it is. Okay, I'm so late with the foundation. Excusez-moi, pardon, madame. Here it is, y'all. Okay, now let me find my color. Lord Jesus. Rihanna be looking so good. Okay? Also, don't judge my hair, everybody. I know it's looking busted. But when I get home, I'll fix it. Oh, Lord. Alright, y'all. So we got the product. Now let's get to my house immediately and try it out. Hey, y'all. So we are back at my house. I'm looking a hot mess. So don't judge the redness underneath my eyes because it's allergy season. And as y'all know, I am back in Virginia. So yeah, don't come for me. Oh, shout out to Chris at Sephora here in Virginia. I don't want to really give out the location, even though you can kind of see it in the video. But shout out to Chris. Thank you for matching me. And let's get with this video, y'all. So before we continue with this whole video, make sure y'all to subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it, y'all. It means a lot to me when I see a new subscriber, y'all. Y'all know what I feel. Okay, so let's see. Did y'all subscribe? Alright, I want to believe that y'all did. So thank you. Love y'all. I'm a little hyper only because after I went to the store, I fell asleep for a couple hours. Yeah, so that's why I did not do my hair for one, and two, I'm just lazy to do my hair today. Okay, girl. Anyways, enough talk. So as y'all can see, I got the new Eaze Drop Foundation from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Oh, and also make sure to like this video, y'all, and leave a comment. I love reading comments. Alright, so let's continue. I got the number 8. This is the Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint Foundation. So I've tried not to see any videos, y'all, about this. But I only seen one video, which is TerriShaney, my homegirl, y'all, sister Shaney. She did a video this morning, actually. She posted it. I saw her review. I saw her review the foundation, and well, let me not get too much details about how great it was, but she is more of a deeper skin tone complexion. So for y'all that I would like to see that video, I will definitely leave the link down below. Watch TerriShaney's review on the foundation and see what she thought about it, and then we'll continue with this video and see what I think about it, because y'all know I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat nothing. Again, because they're not writing me a check. Alright, y'all, here's the beautiful packaging. I love the packaging. It's giving me like that diamond kind of vibe. It's beautiful, very Fenty style. Again, this is the number 8 in the color of this foundation. I thought it was going to be a lot more deeper than that, but I guess not. So let's see what it says on the website. On the website it says it is for $29.50. Oh, I lost my receipt, y'all. Oh, shout out to the register girl. She gave me some samples. Oh, there's my receipt. Yeah, so $29.50, and it comes with 25 shades. Don't throw no shade, y'all. But 25 shades, which is a good amount, I believe. Especially if it's just tinted. There are a lot of people that make tinted foundations. They don't usually make a huge, large amount. Let me see. I'm here looking at my computer. I'm trying to see how much deeper, because there's a lot of light shades and a good amount of deeper skin tone options, so enough to cater everybody, which is amazing. Of course, that's what Fenty is all about, catering to everybody and all their skin tone, which is why she's #1. Alright, y'all, so sorry, a little bit fell in my a little boop went into my computer. OMG. Okay, it's not too bad. So here it is as I open it, y'all. Okay, so I saw her post it. Okay, before I talk about Rihanna doing it, what is up with this trend with people putting like foundations that are like dripping on their face and then they're like massaging, like they're exfoliating their face? What the hell? Girl, what is that? Like, what happened to a simple brush? These trends, y'all, nowadays, and these so-called makeup artists, like, I'm old school, y'all, so don't come for me, honey, because we can argue all day. But with the skin tint, when I do use skin tint, lightweight foundations, I do like to use my fingers. I like to warm it and apply it onto my skin. It just gives you a better, very skin-light, giving you coverage kind of vibe. So I don't really use brushes for it, but I want to do is half brush and half with the way Rihanna did it. So here's the foundation, y'all. And not about, you know what? Let's bring y'all closer. Okay. I want to try that dripping thing that y'all kids be doing nowadays. Got my little mirror. Let's try this. Okay. I'm going to use a little bit first, a little dot. Again, I'm going to massage it with my hands. I feel like I definitely got a good amount. And if I need, and if I need more, I will apply more. So we'll do this side. I'm going to massage it. Color looks great. Oh, this is so soft. Oh, no. Sorry. Look at the difference. I did get a good amount. So I'm just applying it with my hands, y'all. Let me see if I have enough for the top of my eyelid, because it does get pretty red normally. Even without allergies, it still gets red. Ooh, I hope this captures great on camera. Let me look at my bigger mirror, y'all. Hold on. Oh, wow. It's very... It even... Because y'all see that I'm red. Not so red anymore. It really... listen, I'm not going to put concealer. I just want to keep it all focused on this foundation. So we're not going to do all that. So, but if I did want it more covered, this for me is fine. This is my style. This is my everyday going out, you know, literally this is me. Unless I was going out at the club, but that's not happening until next year. I'm still not going out. I've been seeing what y'all been doing in Miami, so a girl's not going anywhere. Especially with y'all know what we don't speak of is still around. But this is gorge. You know what I love is that it's set very, I don't know, it just set perfectly with my skin. Oh girl, oh my god, sorry. I forgot the prime. But I don't feel like I need it. Okay, this is the only reason I used Instant Laurent primer. If y'all been watching me for a while, it's my #1 favorite primer because it's blurring. But I don't feel like I need it for this one. It usually blend tint usually come with a built-in. I'm not sure about this one. Don't quote me on it. Let me see what details I can get about it. It says what it is. A lightweight building. Oh, sorry. A lightweight buildable, light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves skin looking blurred and smooth, which I do see the blur. And flexible shades for all. She's right. Coverage, light, finish, natural. Definitely. Now, I love this. This is so... I literally, if I wasn't going to like it, I was going to return it. But I actually like this a lot. This is so And it was so quick on my fingers. I could add, let's add a little bit extra coverage underneath my eyes, y'all, because y'all gonna come for me when you got time for this. Let's see, I'm gonna put a little dot. Just to add a little extra coverage. Again, tint is like tinted windows, y'all. It's nothing full. I believe. Listen. Do what y'all want to do with y'all makeup. It's your prerogative. But this full coverage I be seeing on people just to go to, you know, the grocery store or pay their debt at the IRS office. They be coming with a full beat. It ain't that serious, y'all. Alright, so it gave me a little extra coverage. Again, this is what I like. I like to look skin-like. So this is great. Now, we're going to try it with a brush. Let's add a little bit. Oh, no. I'm not about to do that. I'm not about to ruin my brush. I was going to try it, but it's not happening. Put some on the back of my hand, y'all. And it looks like the same amount that I put on earlier, so this should be good. Let's try with a brush and see what that looks like. Let me grab a little mirror, sorry. Alright, going on pretty good so far. I'm looking at my little monitor. I still haven't bought a big monitor, y'all. I have a lot of things going on at the moment. I don't think if I did my full chin earlier, but I'm just going to add some underneath here. I ain't going nowhere, really. I'm just going to my best friend's house. That's the only person's house I go to because of COVID. And she literally stays home, just like me. We both literally stay at home. I've been home for like a year, y'all. Somebody saved me. Oh, wow. Hold on. Okay. Oh. You know what? As I'm doing this, I don't really... I'm just going to do a little bit above my brows. I don't do my forehead really because my forehead is so evened out. I never put foundation there. And I hate putting foundation on my forehead because you start to see lines right away on people. And it just enhances it. Lines that you really never saw or any of that until you put on foundation. Okay, so I think I put enough. Okay. So, right away, y'all. I can tell that I definitely like the way I did it with my fingers. Which I felt like I was going to like anyways, because with tint, like I said, you want to warm it and apply. But I didn't warm it. I tried that trend that y'all be doing, dropping it on yourselves, which wasn't bad. So what do y'all think? Let me show y'all a little close up. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see this. Hopefully, when I edit it, I can tell. Oh, girl. It's not bad with the brush, y'all. It's not bad. Sorry. It's not bad. It looks great, too. It's just, I love the way it looked with my fingers. Just the warmth of my body, my fingers, and just applying it. I love the way it looks on this side more than this side. But they both look great. So, if you want to use a brush, go right ahead. If you want to use your fingers, I recommend it a little bit more. That looks good. The color is a great match. Thanks to Chris again at Sephora here in Virginia. Did such a great job color matching me. I didn't get his Instagram. I feel bad. Just to give him a little shout out. But y'all, what do y'all think? Okay, cool. I love it. Listen, Rihanna girl, you did that, honey. I like that. You know what? It gives me like a very soft matte, but still not a glow, but doesn't look dry. You see what I'm talking about? And I have very dry skin, so my skin does not feel tight. It feels like I have nothing on. Like nothing, girl. Like the way I have no man, nothing. I love it. It feels fabulous. What y'all think? Okay, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna just let's add a little products on top of it real quick. I'm going to use Rihanna's famous highlighters. I'm going to apply a little bit on. I'm just going to apply with my fingers. Again, I want to keep it with my fingers. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. Just a little bit of a highlight going on. I should have put on some blush, but I'm not going to put on any blush. Too lazy right now. honey. Yeah. Okay. This is my ultimate favorite mascara, Urban Decay. I don't think I ever tried the Rihanna one. No. And I am going to apply a little bit of gloss. Just to give y'all a little natural. It's just a clear NARS. There you go, y'all. I am ready to go and catch your daddy, your father. Keep him away from me. Girl, this is cute. Well, I'm going to have a mask on, so, because I got to go to 7-Eleven before I go to my best friend's house. But this is great. I love it, y'all. If you don't have $29.50, call your sugar daddy. And if you need help getting a sugar daddy, DM me on the Boy Monroe in my Instagram, y'all. Make sure to follow. So, this was amazing. I was not expecting this. Sister Shaney, again, hit her up on her link. I'm going to put it down below. Follow her and subscribe. Watch her review on this. She is on a deeper skin tone size, so for girls of color, I would recommend for sure to hit her up and watch that video. This is amazing, Rihanna girl. But this did amazing. I wonder if it is mass proof. It probably will be because it's very lightweight and it sits perfectly. Like, it sets itself, which is amazing. So, I hope I'm not missing anything on this video, y'all. I hope I covered enough for you guys to really enjoy this and go out and purchase it. You know, support Black-owned business, y'all. I do, as much as I can. And brown, Latinos, everybody. But Rihanna, she is my girl. Even though we had a little bit of an issue with her eye cream, which y'all can watch that video. Y'all can watch that video. So y'all, make sure to like and subscribe. And also comment down below, y'all. Don't be rude. I know your mama raised you right. My mom kind of dropped me a few times, so. Love y'all so much. Make sure to hit a girl up and follow me on Instagram. I will see you on the next one very soon. Bye, y'all.